A few weeks ago when I was showing you this bed, these dotted loosestrife were barely an inch out of the ground, but now, as you can see, they're a fair bit taller. There's this thing in between them, which I think is some sort of weed. I don't know what. I think I should get rid of it, because at the back is the lobelia. That's getting really quite crowded, even with the loosestrife, which I don't want to take out because they're meant to be there. So definitely can't really afford to be too more crowded with weeds. There you go, pulled a few weeds out now. I'm also not sure when it comes to plant maintenance about chopping bits off that seem to be dead, aka this part of the Alstroemeria. I'm guessing maybe if I just chop all of that off, it can concentrate its energy into the ones that aren't dead, because these ones very clearly are. But what about these ones? It's sort of really tatty, but is it dead? I don't know. Guess I'll leave those ones alone, but I think I will get in there and get rid of these ones, because they just seem to be wasting everyone's time at the moment. Here you can see this little blue daisy that I said really failed to flower much last year. It's got a couple of rather half-hearted flowers on it. It's a very scrappy shape at the moment. Whereas when I got it, it was a neat little spear. So I guess I probably should trim that, but never mind. At the moment, I'm just happy to see that it's flowering. Little fly there. Good to see some wildlife activity, even if it is just a fly. The loss of insects is quite concerning. Over here by the St John's Walk, we've got a similar issue with weeds being absolutely rampant. On the fence whether to do anything or not about that. I suspect they're not really depriving the shrub of anything to a worrying degree, because if you had a sort of fully established shrub there, you'd expect bits of stuff to be growing underneath it, sort of with the, you know, extracting the marginal gains, as it were, out of the soil. But maybe while it's still growing, I should give it a bit more space. I'll do a bit of weeding there. There we go, removed a little bit of the weediness from around the base. This lobelia is currently the most amazing colour. As I was saying before, it's usually deep burgundy red. But at the moment, as if to maximise its chlorophyll from the spring sunshine of the growing season, it's got this shade of green to it. It's somehow green and red at the same time. Really nice.